Creative Life with Kendra. I want to tell you guys how bad of a person I am. I'm not that great of a person. I'm not the best sister. The reason I'm saying this is because back in December, my younger sister, she called me and asked me if she could send me a pressure cooker. I've never cooked with one, and I told her sure, so she sent it, and I'm putting my shoe on. And it's February and I haven't opened it. She asked me to do an unboxing and I just haven't got around to it because, you know, with the holidays, then I got sick, then the kids got sick, and now I'm getting around to it today. So we are going to open this up together. We're going to see what it looks like. I may throw something in there. Like I said, I've never used one before, so we're going to see how it works. So let me go ahead and get this off the ground real quick for you guys to see. And it's in a, I have the best little sister. Oh, thank you, Shayla. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this open. It's still in the box. I haven't even opened it because I told her I'd do an unboxing. I'm doing a real true unboxing. I don't know what the directions are. Not really sure. I'm not really sure how to use it. I've tried to look at recipes and I don't know if it's gonna be, I wanna see if it'll be more convenient for me to use this opposed to my regular stovetop cooking that I do every day. You know, if it'll save me some time, I'm gonna use it. Okay. This is the Insignia 6-quart multi-cooker. Okay. Now let's see if I can get it out of the box without breaking something. Over there. So let's see what the box says before we open it up. It says it has, let me see if I can read it backwards. 3 pressure levels, non-stick, what is that? Non-stick surface and a locking lid. And this is what it looks like. And on the back, it says it helps you prepare healthier foods, 14 preset functions. I already said non-stick. It's heat-resistant handles, let you move your cooker while hot. And included in this box is a condensation collector, a measuring cup, soup ladle, a rice scoop, stainless steel rack, and a user guide. I'm going to tell you guys something now. I'm probably not going to read the user's guide. I hardly ever do, unless it really comes to where I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm probably just going to go over the functions and turn it on and see what happens. Of course, the user guide is on top. Set this aside. Oh, great. I'm gonna aim the camera down a little so you guys can see. Look at this. So gorgeous. Just so gorgeous. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to give you guys a close up. Oh, there's more stuff on the inside. Jesus, I would have. Oh, okay. So here are the ladles. Oh, look. There's even recipes included. You may try some of those out. Ladle. What else does it say? Condensation collector, measuring cup, soup ladle, and rice scoop. And I already have a rice cooker, but I think I may use this as well just to give it a try to see how it works cooking rice. Okay, so there is the, I don't know if you call it a hot plate or the heat conductor plate. That's what there it is. 6 quarts. And I don't know. Maybe I should read the instructions to see what this is. Or maybe I should just read the box. Oh, it just says stainless steel rack. So I'm not really sure what that's for. I'll probably figure it out later. Okay, here is a close-up of everything. Cancel rice, multi-grain soup, meat stew, poultry, start, fish, steamed veggies, beans, chilies, quinoa. I just noticed or learned that it's not quinoa like I've been pronouncing it, it's quinoa. And then cake. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys now. This one, these 4 settings are gonna be the main ones that I'm gonna use it for. I will probably try to cook some kind of meat or stew for my husband and kids to see if they like it. But for me, it's gonna be all veggies and beans and chili and quinoa and cake. And manual, pressure level, delay, warm, sear, and saute and slow cook. And nothing special going on the top. And here is the ceiling. So you know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna cook something in this. I'm about to wipe this down, clean it up, let it dry, and we're gonna cook something. Because actually I'm hungry right now. And I don't know how long it's gonna take. I may just cook me some beans or something. Or beans and rice, who knows, we'll see. So I will see you guys in a second with some food to throw in here. Cooking, the timer just went off, but I'm going to, oh shoot, I brought out a towel. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to do that. Oh, there it goes. Okay, the moment of truth. There's a lock. Oh, that looks so good, you guys. Thank you guys for joining me today as I unbox the Insignia pressure cooker and cook some, look at this, look how beautiful this bowl is. I cooked some red lentils. Like I said, I will be sharing this recipe. If you guys want to try it out, please follow along. Make sure you subscribe so you can know when I post the recipe. And this is awesome. This is actually really good. And I guarantee you, I will be including more recipes using this pressure cooker because it works so wonderfully. And I didn't know what I was missing until I got one. Thank you for the gift, Shayla. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I guess I will see you guys next time, hopefully with some more pressure cooker recipes. I will talk to you guys later, and you guys have a great day. Peace.